Thank you for the calls. Thank you for everything. I really so much appreciate your love and support. Okay, let's get to today's activity. You know what happens today, right? Yes, Bible activities. And today, our activity is on a Bible hero. Sure, you know we have a lot of Bible heroes, right? Awesome. Now, I'm going to say something about our Bible hero, and then you tell me who that Bible hero is. So, today's activity is on a Bible hero. He had 12 brothers. At a time, he started having some special dreams. And then he shared it with his brothers. And then one day, they decided to kill him. But one came true for him. And they threw him in a pit. But one unique thing about this Bible hero is that the Father loved him so much that he made him a special coat. A coat that dazzles in different colors. So can you tell me who the Bible hero is? Yes! Joseph! Yes, Joseph. Joseph. So today's activity is on the Bible hero, Joseph. And guess what we're making? Coat of many colors. Yes, coat of many colors. Remember, Joseph's father made him a coat of many colors. So today, we're going to learn how to use paper to create a coat of many colors. Are we ready to create? Let's create! Paper coats of many colors. You will need a big rectangular paper, pencil, crayons, and scissors. Let's begin! Fold your rectangular paper into 2 halves like the diagram. Fold your already folded paper into 2 halves just like the first. Awesome! Now, let's mark the arm and the neck holes. Good. Now mark the neck hole on the folded side and armhole on the open side. You can see the folded side is on your right, while the open side for the armhole is on your left. Now let's cut through the lines. Remember, be careful with the scissors. Now open it up and cut one side of the folded side. You can see now the folded side, by the time you open it up, falls at the center. So you cut one side and leave the other part. Now fold it back and let's pattern. It's time to color. Straighten your lines with marker to add more beauty. So what you have to do here is you've drawn your lines in pencil, so use markers to make the lines stronger. Let's add more colors. Yes. One side is done. Yes. So now we have to repeat the same thing on the other side. Trace out the lines using marker to help make the colors show more. Yes, done! Now, let's pattern and color the back. So you repeat the same thing you did with the front, you repeat on the back. Fold it to make it easy. Easy. Yes, you are done. Don't forget to draw the lines again using a marker, just like you did with the front. Add some other pattern you love. Just like for me, I decided to strengthen the tips of the neck and the armholes. Now that we have patterned and colored the front and back of the coat, let's glue the sides. Apply glue and press it together. So you do the same thing for the two sides. Awesome! Our coat of many colors is ready. Look at the armholes. Yes, wide. If you want it to be wider than that, all you need to do is make your curve longer. Wow, beautiful! Awesome! Coat of many colors, my mama gave to me. Yes, my mama gave me my coat of many colors. Awesome! So how was the activity? Have we learned a lot? Sure, we've learned how to fold a big paper into a shape where by the time we cut those curves out, it will form a jacket, right? Remember, you don't cut through the back and then it's only the front you got cut through. Now we've learned how to cut the curve to create the armhole, right? Sure, in fact, do you know that we can actually use this skill in cutting the fabric? If you have a fabric of that same shape, you can easily use it to cut the fabric. Awesome, right? Yes. Now, another skill we've learned is how to pattern the coat, right? So now I decided to make mine different. I splitted the shoulder part and then I used strings instead. So you see, you can even be creative with yours. You can add buttons, you can add different things to make yours special. So will you be making a coat of many colors for yourself or your younger one today? Sure, I trust you. Okay, so don't forget, we've just made a coat of many colors that Joseph got from his father. You also can use this skill you've learned today to create a coat of many colors for your loved ones. I'm looking forward to seeing you again on my channel. You know how it goes, right? Don't forget to click the like button. Don't forget to comment in the comment section. You have questions? Please, I am always here to answer your questions. And don't forget to subscribe. Looking forward to seeing you again on my channel. You know I love you. Bye!